Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Retouch feature on a CapCut mobile version. So if you notice, there is a shortcut on your CapCut homepage or edit page. Here there is a Retouch feature that you can try. You can tap the icon, choose the photo or a video that you want to retouch. This one for example. So this is the retouch feature that you can try. For example, here you can smooth the face of the model here. You can try to increase the smoothness, skin tone. Here you can try the pro if you join pro, or just use the free one here. Here you can slide, get back, and also you can use a like shape here, like for example chin line here. Here you can use this feature, you can shorten. So try to be creative here. So and make sure your connection is very good. You have a good internet connection, because if you have a bad connection, it will take too long to load the face. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.